What's up, traders? Welcome back to KT Trading. This is going to be another live day trading video. Um, Currently the time is 9:22. I did take a pre-market trade. I did lose $1.54. I will go over that in a minute, but check is the biggest leading gapper today. Nothing still is loading in my scanner. It never loads until 9:30. Even if I change this to extended hours, then nothing works at all. So if you have any idea why, please leave a comment below. Occasionally something in pre-market will pop up in there, but almost never. Until market opens, the scanner does not work. And I've tried building pre-market scanners that people have on YouTube, and it still doesn't work. So I'm not sure what the problem is. Let's see how check does though. I'm probably going to come back at the opening bell unless I find a good trade opportunity on them. Quickly analyze them, I guess. That's the biggest support, I would say. I might flush real quick down once they open. I mean, possibly. That's also a good level. Could be support. This could be support. Breaking all time highs now. They finally broke this 422 level, and now they're coming up. But now they're, if I was to get in now, I'd be chasing. Plus, they're just too overextended. They do have good volume coming back in. Pretty good volume, actually. For pre-market, over $1 million is actually very, very good. So this is definitely the stock that everybody is watching today. You're probably wondering why I'm going live. Or it's going to be a live trading video today. Normally Monday and Tuesday aren't live. Today I don't have to join my Google Meet for my class and do all that classwork. I could do it later. And there's no Google Meet today. So I have all time to make the video. And I'm also going to be posting all my videos at 4 o'clock. Because I'm sure when I'm posting them, you guys are either in school or at work and you can't really watch the video. So I'm going to wait till around 4 o'clock to post them so you actually get the notification when you're able to watch the video. But yeah, I'm going to pause it until either market opens or a setup occurs. Alright, I'm starting the video back up. These guys are really having a big crash right now. I was debating on buying if it bounced here. It didn't. It just went right through this line because it resistance here, possibly becoming a support. We got this line here. I also just found out I can add this. I didn't really know that until I was just editing properties, and it's right here. So that's cool. So now I don't have to put my cursor where I think the line is. They did just bounce. I'm actually might get in here. 10 shares. If they bounce here. Or should I wait till market open? Don't know. I don't know. I feel like they could bounce and rock right up to highs. Market open. 5 minute, they're hitting the same low spot. I got a minute till market opens. If they break this line, I won't buy. I want to see what happens. I have a minute till, okay. Minute till market opens. Are they going to break it? I kind of want, yeah, I want them to break it. Okay. Well, I'm going to change this to day now. Possibly. I'm going to wait. I'm looking to make good trades here. I don't want to keep making multiple tiny trades. I want to make one good trade possibly a day. Or maybe 2 good trades. I already tried to take one good trade and that didn't work. It wasn't really a good trade at all. I'll show you that later in the video. But try to make this one a quality one. Okay. Too late to buy. As it goes right up. Right to highs. Wow. Is it gonna make highs? Wow. Didn't expect it to go right in the highs. I did not expect. I expected a quick drop of down to 392, and then some kind of pop. That's why I didn't buy. I did say it might open and go right up the highs, but then, yeah, look at that rejection. Okay. And I'm not supposed to trade this first minute bar, even though it has the most opportunity to make money. It's also the most opportunity to lose money. So I'd rather not lose my money. I've already done enough of that. Any 5-minute setups here? No. I still didn't get to fix my my software, huh? I can't like make it show the entire monitor. I have to pick the screen at once, like the page. Hmm. Okay, so what? I might buy with the 422 level. That could act as a support, possibly. I also want to see what this candle does here. I can't buy it now. Yeah, I can't buy now. I need them to come. I need them to close under here. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen though. Nope. And I'm not gonna buy highs because I feel like that's too stretched. I guess the big opportunity I missed was buying down here. Could have made almost 45 cents a share. Could have been $4.50 with my 10 shares. That would have been a nice trade. But that doesn't matter. I didn't take it. Let's focus on what I can take. Okay, my scanner is finally in here. What just happened? Oh, I collect NTech. Okay, what's happening here? This is not what should be in my scanner here. It should be check. It should be check. I'm not sure why these are in here. So I can't fix this really quick. My scanner won't even load. Something's wrong here. Alright. Yeah, like it was a fake out again. Get the bigger picture. Okay, so they're very, very high on the day. These are tiny moves. They look like they're big moves, but they're honestly very tiny moves. I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute setup actually. Oh, I'll wait. Oops. Show you that. We got 2 minutes or a minute and 10 seconds to wait for a 5-minute setup. My 5-minute setup is when a 5-minute candle, I'll go back. The 5-minute candle, a new one opens, and then it breaks the previous 5-minute candle. That's when I'll buy. I'm going in with 10 shares. So approximately $40. I might go to 15 shares here. I'm actually going to go to 15. All right. I might just buy this dip. I'm going to add down here with 5. I'm buying with 5. At this bottom. Possibly. That was just a huge drop. I'm going to take advantage of that drop. I'm just waiting to see what's going to do here. Let's see if we can get back up before. So that 5-minute candle play is probably not going to happen now. Probably won't. 4 is becoming a resistance level. Right here. I'm going to get out. It's a tiny profit. This thing is very bearish now. It might break lows. Double bottom here at 85. 1 cent below this high. Or actually 2 cents. I'm actually 1 cent below that. He's gonna break or what here? 5 minute setup is way. It needs to come all the way back up to 405 here. This could be a bigger dip and wait a couple minutes. Possibly opportunity here. $85, so I can go in with. I can still go in with 15 shares if I want. I'm like, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy when it breaks over this candle with 10 shares. So 93. Oh, too late. It's already over. Why can't I buy market? What did it just say? How did I get in the trade before? That doesn't make any sense. I was on extended, but I got in that trade. How does that make any sense? And just because of that stupid mistake, I just missed out on a big opportunity. Come on. I thought I was already on it because let me get in that first trade. How did it let me in? I'm going to have to go back and watch that. Was I on extended when it let me in that trade? Because that was not extended. That was just market open. That just cost me a lot of money here. And that was also the 5 minute play. Wow. How is it going to let me buy with extended hours? But then when I really want to buy here for my move, it doesn't let me. Now I can't buy. Because now they're overextended again. That's BS. I didn't switch it. I'm so confused. How let me in there? There was so much opportunity there, and I just couldn't take it. Wow. Well, this is the stock I did lose money on here. They're just crashing. These guys are rocketing. They're halted, I think. Something's got to be wrong with my scanner here. Let me go back to GTech. Is that who I was on? Is that even who I was on? I don't even remember. Oof. And no, check. Come on. There we go. I'm trying to quickly do something with my scanner here. My scanner still won't load, but it's loading my watch list. Don't get what's going on. If I just change this really quick and update it. Now it's working. Yeah, now the stocks I actually want are in there. How about my scanner? I have to reload it. It's still not loading them. This is so crappy. Why can't they just make their software work? I really wish they would do that. I want to know GTech, but it won't put it in there for some reason. I really can't wait to get off TD Ameritrade. They really do suck. I'm sure you guys know that already. These guys are just rippy in all directions. I can't really take a trade here. I can't take a good trade. I might just get lucky in a trade. Doesn't mean it's a good trade just because I made money. Breaking highs could be something here, but I still feel like there's too stretched. All their EMAs are way down here. Yeah. They're just chopping around. They're probably going to pull back down. Probably back down here. Yes. Buy this dip? Question mark. Again, I'm going to get in with 5. Because this could keep going. Make a new low, which it looks like it might. I'm going to add into this. Buying away 5. Adding into this dip here. I am in 10. Okay. I don't know if these guys are really going to have a quick bounce. Got the gigantic bar. Making new lows. I'm still going to add into this. Money, how much money? 46. This is probably going to be that big trade. If it keeps going, I'm going to add another 5. Keep adding and putting my cost basis down for that pop back up. So far it's consolidating, so I might add soon, but I don't know yet. We've got 20 seconds left here. Ten seconds. What's it gonna do? I don't feel like this candle is gonna be that rocket, obviously. I feel like it's gonna come back down here. I'm gonna add, and then it might go. But it might go now, so. Take a sip of coffee. Alright, I do have a question for you guys, the viewers. Do you guys like it when I don't cut the videos and just show the entire thought process and like everything, like real live day trading? Or do you want me to cut the video up, and so you only like see when I get in the trades and get out? Because whatever you guys want, I guess I'll do. I like it when it shows my entire trade like this. I like the videos being longer because it really just shows the entire process, and I can go back and watch them and kind of analyze what I did good or did wrong and what I could do better. I like that, but leave a comment below what you guys like. Okay, I might add it here. They're doing this, the dip consolidation move, and then they might come back up. Or they can make new lows. I do not know yet. Obviously, it is live. I'm thinking about adding another 5. I just don't know if it's going to come down or not. Adding. Right there. I'm going to get in. I would like to get in here. I didn't get filled. I was 1 cent off getting filled. That would have been nice. That's alright. Hopefully the move starts here. I want to see it get over this pivot level. It was support. It was also resistance somewhere in pre-market. They're coming back down. Could be an add spot. I'm going to wait a second here because they might just go to lows. I'm adding there at 87 if it comes down to 86, I mean. Yeah, 5 seconds. Next candle, I'm probably going to get in. I'm going to cancel it. I feel like it's going to drop a little more than that. This might be the candle where it makes new lows. Yes, it is. I'm adding down there. Okay, so now I'm in 15 shares. My cost base is 83 now. This could just be a horrible trade. I don't know yet. This is a too overextended drop if I come over to the 5 minute. You can just see this gigantic drop from, it's almost $1. Well, not almost $1. It's from 434 to, no, you know what I mean. That's like, what? Let's just do the math real quick. It's about a 60-cent drop. That's very, very big. It's also very overextended in my opinion here. I might even add another 5. I'm going to add another 5 down here. Okay. Now I'm in 20. I still feel like it's going to move. My break-even price is at 381, which is very good for me adding down here. It's right at my cursor here. It's the whole thing about adding into these dips. As long as it is a dip, though. As long as this isn't the bigger move, you know, of it just downtrending all day long. This is all I'm adding into the position. This is my max position size. I'm not adding any more. And if it goes lower than here, then I'm going to have to stop out, I guess. But let's see. So we're almost back to green. I still want to see it pop over this, though. What is it going to do here? It's still not in my scanner. I would like to know how, if it, I'd like it to be in my scanner so I could see how much volume on a day and its float. I really would like to see that. For some reason, it's just not popping in my scanner here. Don't know why. I mean, you can see it's in my scanner. My watch list is just this in a watch list, but it's just not popping up in there. I have no idea why. Just click a random thing. What's GameStop at? 270. It's gonna load or no? Still not loading. Thinkorswim's just crap. And they're already below. Okay. Could be a big loser or it could be a big winner. They're just so overextended on this drop, guys. Look at this. 5 minute. They need a green candle to come up somewhere here. At least I would think so. Doesn't mean it has to happen, but I would think it would happen here. What's the biggest support, next support on the 5 minute? They're kind of already through them all. Next biggest support is all the way down here at 326. Which isn't good. Unless you count what's right here. I don't know if you count this or not. You can count this, I guess. That's still a little ways down. They're already close. Oh, they're still dropping more here. Could be a big losing day. This thing is just really going. It's almost down in it. It's over $1 now. Down. Definitely didn't think it was going to come this far down. What would be nice to see is a 5 minute setup here. Well, we'd have to wait 10 minutes because you would need 2 5 minute bars. But let me come back up here. They're still coming down. Well, they're coming back up now. So this is going to be a 1 minute setup, especially if it breaks over this high here. You might get a quick squeeze, especially when all the short sellers have to buy back their shares. We might get a quick squeeze or pop up here. Possibly. I'm hoping for that. Needs to break over where my cursor is. Okay, it did. Is going to get any momentum through here? That's a big question here. Got big bids of 200s here. I don't know if they're getting filled or if they're just getting putting in and taken out. Okay, watch level 2 here. Definitely more buyers than sellers here, so the price should start to come up. Okay, it's coming up. I'm going to put a green line where I am in. 81.5, so basically right there. What the hell? What just happened here? 81.5. Make it green real quick so I just know it's where I got in. So that green line is where it needs to get above for me to be profitable. I'd like it to be in my scanner. It's still not. I'm just going to see. I can add it into here and just check. What is it? What's the stock called? I can't see. Check. Okay. Add check. Nope. No, I don't even have it in there. Come on. Customize this really quickly. You don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need left. You need percent change. You need mark. You need volume. Wherever it is. And you need shares. Just gonna detach it. And close this. Crap, where'd it go? Gotta pull it back up. Is this it? Yeah, here it is. Pin it real quick. Stretch this out. Oh, it's got a bigger float. See, knowing it has a bigger float, I might not have gone in bigger shares. I would never have known that unless it, popped into my scanner, but for some reason it just never wanted to pop in. It's got so much volume. Like, that's crazy amount of volume for only 950. Crazy amount. 175 million. The float is definitely big. Or bigger. It's not that big, considering everything, but is it gonna pop through here? 5-minute setup? There is no 5-minute setup. There is definitely. Okay, hold on. Let me show you this. There is a resistance right where they were. Let me turn show trades off so that's not in the way. Where is it? It's somewhere here. Oh yeah, it was right here. It was this one. This candle is high. I think I saw something on the 5-minute. It looked really good. I already have it marked. Never mind. It's this one right here. They need 85 is going to be a big resistance because it's bottom, 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 all support, and it's all resistance of pre-market. 85 is a huge level. So if you could somehow get up and through 85, this thing really might come back. Like, that's a really key level here. And I'm sure a lot of other people are watching that same level. Because as day traders, we all need to analyze the same levels. That's why when these levels happen, like these moves happen, because the traders know what's going to happen, or they think they know what's going to happen. So they kind of try to trade off that. That's the whole thing. The scanner is pretty much useless since it won't put what I actually need in here. Oh, there might come through 85 here. They're really close. They might bounce, have a new candle open, and then go through. That might be what happens here. I just hope they don't reject and fall. It's got 30 seconds, so it's got plenty of time to break it, hopefully. I just really would hate to see this become a huge red candle like it's becoming right now. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, that sucks. I mean, it could still come up green, hopefully. It's got 10 seconds now. That really sucks. Hopefully this comes back up here. It broke it by just a tiny bit. By like 0.01 of a cent or something like that. Just barely above 85. Sometimes this happens, but then there's just an enormous green candle that engulfs the whole thing and breaks it, and then the next candle after that opens and it rockets up to highs. So I'm not scared yet. I guess my stop is gonna have to be below here. It's definitely a huge stop, but possibly worth it. I don't know. Wish my scanner would just work for. I mean, I already have it as a watch list. This is right here. Just won't load. Just won't load them. I don't know what the problem is. All this does is takes what's in the scanner and puts into a watch list, but it's not doing that. It's pretty aggravating here. This could be the start of some sort of trend. Pointed that out because I'm sure other people pointed that out. If they go below it, they're probably going to drop. Just like that. Alrighty. Well, it'll be a big red day here. I have 20 shares, right? Yes. Is there a trend of them downtrending here? Let's see. Anything? Possibly. I mean, they have that. I don't know. There's not really a defined trend. There could be some sort of trend here. Not really. I like this though. I call this an equalize, or what do I call it? An equalizer bar. Basically, it's the same size. That's what I call them, just like this one. I don't know if there's an actual name for it or if that is a name. I just call it that. Or cancellation bar, actually, is what I call it. Because it canceled out this move. Cancellation or equalizer, I don't know. Both. Alright, this could be something big here. They open and they come up. This will be the end of this trend here. And then they might come up. Let's see. Let's see here. I hate why does it do that? I don't want to zoom that area. I want to zoom the whole thing, please. There we go. Come on. Why is it doing this? I don't want it to be this zoomed in here. I want to be like that. Alrighty. This is basically useless, so I'm just going to drag this up to the 5-minute. This could be a 5-minute play here. I'm going to bring you over. There's a lot of lines, I know. Oh, alright, let me pull that up there. 5-minute play could be if they come back over 380. If they come back over 380, it'd be a great 5-minute play. Doesn't look like it though, because they're already opening down here. Unless they come right back up. Come back to the 1-minute. How long have I been recording for? It is 10 o'clock, so about 30 minutes so far. This could be the start of the 5-minute setup. It almost just broke this candle. Almost. That's what needs to happen. This chair is so creaky. I don't know if I should cut it or if you guys just want to see the whole thing here. I just need it. I need you guys to leave a comment below. Alright, so they're coming back down. They did break through it, but they didn't break through it good enough. They're still being hit with this trend line. That just shows that people have this trend line on their screen as well. They don't really want to buy up here, they just want to sell. This descending trend line. And then I'm sure people also had this, and that's why it dropped so fast. Probably had something like this. As soon as it got here, it dropped real quick. I'd like to see this line become support. Then to break above like this, have a candle come down, touch it, and then not go below it. It would finally signal an uptrend. Technically, they're in an uptrend because they didn't make lower lows except for right now. Now they might start a downtrend here. I'm going to start getting rid of some lines because I have just a ton of lines here. What significance does this one have? Not too much. I'm just going to delete this one. Clear some stuff up. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see them open and just touch it, just like I said. Hopefully this is a support line now. They need to not break through it, and then they need to start the uptrend and break this high. Then they're going to confirm an uptrend. And then I'm sure the volume's going to come in. Oh, too late now. They broke it. What's the stock going to do? Is it going to come crashing down here? Sure looks like it is. About to have to get out everything. Where am I getting out here? 52. It's 1 cent. I'm hoping it acts like a support here. That's why I'm getting out below it. Might it not? I don't know. Nope. Alright, there goes $5.88. And good thing I sold there because what do you call all that? So never worked out. Never worked out. So let's see why. All it did is drop. As you can see here. Nothing but dropping today. Absolute chop fest. Like huge. These are gigantic bars. Let me get rid of some lines. They even broke this support. I mean, shoot. I could buy a share. I could buy 2 shares. Might as well buy 2 shares. Just to buy them down here. This could be a dip. Maybe make something back. I mean, dip trades haven't seemed to work so far. Because they just keep on crashing here. I just don't see how they can keep this trend. This trend is just crazy. They're going to break out of it at some point. They got a trend here. Looks like it. Why is my phone going crazy, man? It's all those Thinkorswim alerts. Quickly zoom in. Okay, why does it do this? I hate that. Might as well get rid of these lines because they have no significance now. And I'm probably just should sell it as a loss. Just going to see if they bounce quickly or not. Sell at our break even possibly. 1 cent above. They might come and hit me. I don't know. So bad trade Monday. This is definitely starting to make off bad. The entire day, all the stock has done is drop. I can't short, or else I definitely would have been. They're consolidating after the drop. This video is what, 40 minutes now? Almost. Oh well, I'm just gonna get out. I don't even care. Only 14 cents. Almost, well, over $6 because I have a loss in that other stock now. So it's over $7. $7.50. That's definitely a big day. These stocks both had earnings. They're both gapped up super high, and they're both just absolutely tanking. Absolutely tanking. My scanner is just being a little bee. You know what I mean. Entech is who I traded, I think, right? Let's go look at them. Entech. Oops, wrong thing. Entech. Oh, look at them. All I did is drop too. I was trading them like way up here. And I bought this break pre-market here over this high. And I got filled, ripped up really quick in about 4 or 5 seconds here. Came right back down. Like got stopped out. Where did I get stopped out? Let's just turn it on. I did add into my position a couple times. It's not even going to show it. But, oh, there it goes. So I bought 2 for the break here of here. And I came down, I added, and then I just sold it all there. So, yeah. 2 losing trades. Everything is tanking for some reason. Don't know exactly why. They're probably going to have a gigantic bounce here, but I don't have any more money to trade them. So it's a little unfortunate. Looks like I've day traded these guys before, because I already have lines down here. Just going to remove them all, because I don't need them now. But yeah, leave a comment below if you guys day traded them, if you made money or not. Well, I would like to know. I certainly lost money. All they have done is really go down. But yeah, that's going to be the end of this video. If you did enjoy me losing money, make sure to hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I do, normally Monday and Tuesdays aren't live day trades. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is live day trades if I day trade. Some days I just don't, so I don't make a video. And then normally weekends I'll make some educational videos on certain topics. I have a whole playlist if you want to go check that out. New goal is 100 subs. I'm at 56. I've gained about 10 subs really quickly lately, which is awesome. Thank you for the subscribers. But next month's goal is to hit 100, so if you guys want to help me get there, that would be awesome. But with that, thank you for watching.